Hey, today I want to talk about why most online businesses fail and the top 4 reasons for that, in my opinion. And I'm not trying to scare you away or put you down with negative talk, but what I'm trying to do is give you a sort of prevention or give you an overall mindset you should have in order to probably help you succeed. So before we go any further, if you're watching this video on YouTube, I would really appreciate it if you like the video and subscribe to my channel for future content. Now, let's dive in. So, reason number one is you have what's called shiny object syndrome. Okay, and this is sort of like a disease, okay, or something, a case that most people on the internet have. Why? Because shiny object syndrome is when you start chasing the next shiny object that you see. Okay, so shiny object number one is here, you start chasing it, but whenever you see another shiny object, you run that way and you lose focus on this first object. So this is called shiny object syndrome. And where you're concerned is whenever you see ads or YouTube videos just like this one, and you see people like driving Ferraris and telling you about how they got the best lifestyle with, let's say, dropshipping. You start going deeper into dropshipping because you too want that Ferrari, right? But then a week later, you see another video with someone driving a Lamborghini, and they're telling you that dropshipping is dead, it's not good, and what you should be doing is affiliate marketing. And then a month after that, you see another shiny object that tells you a different business model is working and the others are not. And what you're doing is losing focus, maybe even losing money and time. You're surely losing time, chasing the next trend or chasing this shiny business model. And I've been there myself, okay? I'm guilty of that too, but what I want you to understand is, in my opinion and in most professional people's opinions, I'm not saying that I'm super professional, but what I have read and watched and learned is that mostly all business models do work, but you have to make them work, okay? They don't magically, with a push of a button, work by themselves. You have to give them time and consistency and make them work for you, okay? So don't really trust all these Lamborghini gurus, okay? I'm not saying all of them are fake, some of them are, but all you have to do is just find one business model that you really feel comfortable with learning and mastering, and go this way with discipline and patience, which brings us to reason number two. You lack patience and discipline. So let's say you chose one business model, but you lack discipline. Like, you watch Netflix all day, you get nothing done, or you stay late till 3 in the morning and then sleep in 3 in the morning and wake up all groggy and not really productive. You're lacking discipline, right? So these two are really related. And if you're lacking discipline and patience, you're not gonna be able to build your business and make it work, right? Which brings us to reason number three. If you have the discipline and patience to get started and work on your business, you're gonna develop the skills you need, okay? So the necessary skills you need. If you don't have any skills at all, if you don't have sales skills, if you don't know how to run ads, if you don't know how to create a website, if you don't know anything about social media, how can you expect to to grow an online business, right? You're gonna need to develop some skills. I'm not saying you need to master them in order to get results, but if you get the necessary skills you need to just the bare minimum to get your results for your business, if you don't have these skills, you're not gonna get any results, and you're gonna feel down because you're not seeing the results. If you don't have discipline and patience, you're not gonna be building the skills. And when I say you have to build the skills, you have to take some time, to invest some time, and maybe even some money into taking courses, or just practicing on some things, or just watching free YouTube videos that show you how to do something. Okay, that way you will learn the skills easily and in a fast way, that so that you can use them on building your own business. So number one, shiny object syndrome. Number two is discipline and patience, which most people lack. That's why they fail. Number three is having the necessary skills you need to build your business. Now, number four is you're reinventing the wheel. Now, I want to dive deeper into this topic, and it's my story. It's a true story. When I was starting out, like 5 or 6 years ago, I was reinventing the wheel, okay? I was trying to actively use my brain to create and discover a business model. It turns out that hundreds of people have already discovered the same business model I'm thinking of. It's called affiliate marketing, and I didn't really try and learn what they were doing, what the successful affiliate marketers were doing. What I tried to do is just reinvent the wheel and create a new model, or something that nobody ever came up with. And what this did is, it took me lots of time to discover something that was already there in front of me. Just a simple YouTube search would show me how to do it. Okay, but my ego went in the way, and I decided to learn this stuff on my own. I decided to learn from my own mistakes. In fact, my own mistakes cost me $20,000. Just creating my first website cost me $7,000 for a web developer. Now I can help you create your own website for free. So reinventing the wheel really puts you down, especially because someone has already been there and is showing you how you can do it. All you have to do is just ask or follow, or just ask for someone, follow a mentor, follow a proven strategy, a blueprint that has already been proven to work, and make it work for your business. That's really simple. It's really cost effective, okay? Because instead of paying $20,000, it's better if I had paid $200 or $300 for an online course that's gonna teach me how to do all of this stuff, and I would have saved like $19,000, right? So all you have to do is just make sure you don't fall into these 4 traps, and if you have this overall mindset, then you'll probably have more chance of success with your business. Now, if you're interested in setting up and getting started with your own online business, I've created a free 5-day training, which is going to teach you exactly how to get started and setting up your brand and creating a website, and just setting up and growing your social media in order to grow your business, right? So all you have to do is just click on the link in the description. It's incomet.com/training. All you have to do is just go to this page and you'll get free access. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, if you're on YouTube, just like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.